In this video, we will going to take up one more problem on projections of lines and how to solve this by using or how to draw this by using AutoCAD software. The two lines capital AB and AC make an angle of 120 degree between them in their front view and top view. AB is parallel to both HP and VP. Determine the real angle between capital AB and capital AC. So to do this, first we need to go for AutoCAD screen, switch off the grid mode and switch on the ortho mode. Now here the command is limits, specify lower left corner by default 0, 0, upper right corner 297, 210, send to all. Then go to line, select some arbitrary point and click on first button of the mouse and drag the mouse towards the right side. Take some distance and click on first button of the mouse and take the cursor to the top side. Take some distance and click on first button of the mouse. Then go to offset, take the distance as 297. Select this vertical line and offset to the left side and then go to offset. Take the distance as 210. Select this horizontal line and offset to the top side. Then go to zoom extents, zoom 0.6x. Then go to fillet between this vertical line and this horizontal line, between this horizontal and this vertical, and similarly from this vertical and this horizontal. Now we need to go for layers, and here you say click on new, type the layer by name XY, and click on new, type the layer by name front view, click on new, type the layer by name top view, click on new, type the layer by name true length. So here you just go to this and you make it as rename layer, make it true length, and then you click on new, type the layer by name locus. So here you just go to this and rename layer, so you type locus, LOCUS, locus. Now we need to change the line weight, so the line weight of 0, which will be projector lines, which should be 0.05, and the XY line should have a 0.13, and the front view should have 0.5, and the top view should also have 0.5, and then true length should have 0.3, and the locus line should have 0.05. Now the locus line of line type continuous should have a dash dot. You take the cursor to dash dot and say OK, and click on dash dot and say OK. Then you change the true length to index color of 0.30. Then the top view should have red color and the front view should have magenta color. Then you say close. Now we need to start with this. First we're going to draw the horizontal line and take two parallel lines. So to do that, first we'll go for a line command, draw any horizontal line of any distance, and similarly you draw one horizontal line of any distance. So here I may take around at the rate 60 less than 0. So here at the rate 60 less than 0. So similarly you just draw a line. So from here you take line endpoint of this and you draw ortho mode on, draw one line here and take one more line here. Then go to line, take some distance and draw a horizontal line of any distance. So you just take these two. Once you do that, now we need to create 120 degree between this. So you just go to line, take int of this at the rate 100 less than 60 degrees. So you're going to get this. Again go to line, take int of this at the rate 200 less than 30 degrees. Then go to fillet between these two. So then you get a line, take int of this and draw a horizontal vertical line. Similarly line int at the rate 200 less than minus 60 degrees. So at the rate, undo, say again at the rate 200 less than minus 60 degrees. Then go to line int, then go to line here, take int of this at the rate 200 less than minus 30. Then both will going to intersect at this point, so you just take fillet between these two, and also you just go to trim this line till here. So you got the front view and top view. Now we need to find the true length. So to find the true length, so first we're going to draw a line from here. So here, go to line, take int of this, and you draw one horizontal line. Similarly, line int of this, you draw one more horizontal line. Then go to circle, take int of this, and take intersection point of this. So you are going to get this line here. Then go to trim between these two, and you trim this portion, and then you go to erase this. Similarly, go to circle, go to line, take int of this, and take perpendicular to this, and take int of this. So you got the one true length. So now what we got is we have obtained the true length of this one. You got this now. Now similarly, I want to find out the true length of this. So to do that, so go to circle again, take int of this, and take intersection point of this. Then you just go to trim between these two lines and this arc and this arc. Then go to erase this line arc. Then go to fillet between these two. Then you just go to line, take int of this, and take perpendicular to this. Then come down to this line int of this. So once you get this, now we have the break command. Then extend this line till here. So you got the locus line. Then go to break this line till here. Then go to erase this. So now we got the true length of individual line. Again go to circle, take int of this, and take intersection point of this. Similarly, go to circle, take int of this, and take intersection point of this. So both will going to intersect at this point. So here you just break this arc here, and similarly you just break this till here, and then you go to trim this till here. Then go to erase this. Similarly, you break this. So once you do that, so you need to trim this portion till here. Then go to erase this. So then go to zoom previous, then go to erase this line. So now once you get this, now we need to go to line, take int of this, take intersection point of this, then you take intersection point of this. So now we have the drawing which is completed. Then go to break this on this side. Similarly, you break this on this side. Now we got the drawing. So now what we need to do is we need to change the layers. So to do that, so first we'll go for this line, go to layer, make that layer as XY. Once you do that, then we need to find out the individual true length. So this is the true length of these two. Go to layer, make that as true length, and you switch on this lightweight display. Once you do that, so you come down to this front view, select these three, go to layer, make that layer as front view. Then similarly, you just click on this, and click on this. Go to layer, make that layer as top view. So once you do that, now we need to find the true inclinations of these two. So you take between these two. These two are the actual true length of this. So once you get this, now we need to go for DDIM, then go to modify, then you take angular degrees in precision up to second decimal point, then linear dimension you make it 0, go to text, take the text height as 3, align with the dimension line, centered becomes above, then offset from the dimension line as 2. Then go to symbols and arrows, take arrow size as 3, then we have lines, take the offset from the origin as 2 and say OK and say close. Now we need to give the dimension of these two. So to do that, go to dim angular, dim, go to dim angular, dim, so go to dim, so here we need to go for dim. So now we go for angular dimension between this line and dim angular, select between these two lines. So we're going to get 120 degree. Similarly, angular, select between these two. Then you will going to get this. Then go to angular, select between this line and this line. So you're going to get 112.21. So that is the one which you get. So you just take it out, go to text, go to erase, dim, go to angular, select between this line and this line. This is the real angle between these two. So go to text 121.21, give space, enter. So you're going to get this. Now you just come down to DDIM, select modify, go to primary units, angular dimension you make it 0, precision is 0 and say close. Now we have dim DD, select this dimension and you take it inside. Similarly, you take this and you take it inside. Take this and you take it inside. So this is how you will be able to create this drawing. Now we need to go for this line, and so we want to go for D text now. D text. So we have A dash, B dash. So you want to make them. So you just go to D text. So come down to this. Take the height as 3. Rotation angle as 0. So type X, you type Y, you type VP, you type HP, and then we have capital B, A. So you have capital A, and here also you are going to have capital A. Here you have capital B, and here also you are going to have capital B, and then remove this A dash, and this is B dash, and this is small a, and this is small b. Once you do that, so now we want to go for C. Go to C, this is C dash, so this will going to be the locus of C. Once you do that, now we need to go for C1 and C2. So go to D text, select this, and you mark this as C1 and you mark this as C2. So this will be having C1 dash and this will be C2 dash, C2 dash. So here this will going to be C3 dash. So you will going to get it as C3 dash. Then you will going to have capital C, capital C. So then we have the rest of the things A, B, C, C1, C2. So C1, C2, C1 dash, C2 dash. So we have everything has been written here. So now this is the one what we need to right. Now we need to change this. So to do that, so you just come down to this, move appropriately all the text matters nearer to that. So here you have VP, and here you have HP, and here you have Y. So then we have B dash, then we have capital B, which is the true length. So then again go to A dash. So you mark this as A. Similarly, you mark this point as C dash. So this will going to be C2 dash, and this will going to become C1 dash. So you just click over this, go to layer, make this layer as locus, and then change to 10. So once you do that, now we go for break command. So you break this line till here. So now we need to change these things. Now you just come down to B. This is capital B, and this is small a. So here you want to have capital A, and then you want C. So you make this C1, and you make this as C2. So once you do that, so this is the one which you want to change. Now we'll go for leader. Take nearest point on this. So you just come down to tangential to this arc, annotation option. Similarly, go to leader, take nearest, and take tangential to this arc, annotation option. Then you just click over this, go to leader, take nearest on this. So you draw a annotation option none, and go to leader, take nearest on this, and you go to annotation option none. Now we need to go for leader, switch off the ortho mode, go to nearest on this, and draw tangentially to this, annotation option none. Similarly, leader, take nearest on this side and take arrowhead along the tangential, annotation option none. Then go to explode. So you take these two as the exploding entity, you take this and you take this. So once you do that, now you'll go for erase. You just go to erase, erase this line, erase this line, erase this line. Then you come down to this, erase these two. So once you do that, now we need to go for mtext. So here, specify corner. So you just click over this, go to formatting, go to symbol, and you remove the caps lock, type small q. So you're going to get theta. Then you move this and keep it wherever you want. Now we need to go for changing this, go to B's and go to A's, and this is C. So go to color, make this as blue color. Once you do that, now we need to go for front views, A dash, C dash, C2 dash, C1 dash, and this is locus of C. Similarly, I have C3, go to layer, make this as front view. So once you do that, so you're going to get this automatically. Now we need to go for the top view. You just click on this, you click on this, you click on this, C2, C1 and C. So take the layer, you want to make it as top view. So you take this. Now we need to change, write the answer. So we want to go for D text. So specify start point, you select this, and here you type answers. Then go to line. So here go to zoom window. So first we'll go for text. So here text height is 3. So we need to give for 111.21, 112.21 percentage D. Then go to zoom previous. So then go to copy this, comes here. So once you do that, then go to zoom window, then go to move, So here go to line, switch on the ortho mode and draw a horizontal line. Then go to move, select ortho off, then go to line, take endpoint of this. So switch on this ortho mode, take this, go to line, take nearest point on this and draw a vertical line, and go to offset, take the distance as 6. Then go to trim this as the cutting edge. So you trim these things. Then go to zoom previous. So this is how you will be able to create the drawing in AutoCAD, and the result what you got here and what you there are both are one are the same. I just go to move this and keep it here. So this will going to be our final solution by using AutoCAD software. Thank you.